Some objects may look similar but may be different in other parts. Learning objectives. Identify the difference between same and different. Identify similarities and differences in size, shape or color. Welcome back to my channel Learn and Play with Shibasish. Please subscribe. Today we will compare objects if they are the same or different. Look, there are two carrots. Do they look alike? If two objects look alike, it means they are the same. Mimi, the rabbit, has a carrot, while Joy, the squirrel, has an acorn. Do they have the same food? The carrot and the acorn do not look alike. It means they are different. Some objects may look similar but may be different in other parts. Look at the apples below. They are all apples, but the third one is different because it is green in color. Try it yourself. Which one is different from the set? The answer is green mango. The second one. Well done. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Bye. Bye.